Dear students, Namaste. In this video, we will start our new journey, our next subject, that is Database Management System. And course code for this subject is 22319. In this video, we are going to learn our first practical. So our first practical name is write MS Access code to create database table and modify the table. So first two practicals are related to the MS Access database. Let's start with the MS Access database. In this practical, we are going to create a table. Here is the procedure for creating the table. First start the database, then click the blank desktop database, type a file name. This is the procedure for creating a database and we are going to follow this procedure for this practical. After following these steps, we are able to insert data into a table. Okay. Let's start with the practical outcomes. So, first practical outcome is create the database. Second is create tables and assign primary key. Third is modify the table structure. Means we can add columns, change the data type of column, delete the column from the table, etc. Then next practical outcome is insert, update and delete the record from the table. And last is retrieve data from the table according to the condition given to you. So we required processor i5 here, then RAM is 4 GB, then hard disk is 500 GB. And here we are using the Microsoft Access software for performing this practical. So first, how to create database? First step is open the Microsoft Access here. We are going to open the Access, that is Microsoft Access here. So here blank database is there. What do we mean by database? The database means what? We stored our data in the database so that data is stored in one format like image format, video format or any other format. Here MS Access can store the numeric textual data in the form of table. And what do you mean by table? Table means collection of rows and your columns. So here we are going to click the blank database. So first click on blank database. Yes. So this is the MS Access structure. This is the menu bar over here. File, home, create, external data, then database tool, help, fields and table. So here the properties of the table. Here from here you can insert the table, delete the table and other. Then from here create menu bar, you can create the table. And here is the default table one. So now we are going to add column data in the table. Here is your table. You can give name over here, that is table name. Click on save button. Then table name is, suppose I am giving the table name student. Okay, so student is my table name. Here ID, ID means what? Your column name, and here you have to select the data that you want to store. First, suppose I am giving the ID here. Student 1. I am going to create another one table. Okay, field name and data type. First of all, this is your design view. Okay, so in the design view, we are going to create the column names and the data types of that particular column. For example, first, roll number is my first column name, and the data type for that is your number. Okay, next is student name is my second column name, and here select the data type, appropriate data type, short text, long text. Okay, so for student name I am going to take short text data type. Then after that, marks. Then here I am going to take the number format over here. This is the design view. So here you can change the view, that is datasheet view and design view. First of all, we are going to create the table in design format, means design view. This is field name and this is your data type. Okay, so roll number, student name, marks, these are your columns name, and in that column which type of data you want to store, select the appropriate data type from here. And from here, the general field properties there, that is field size, format, caption, default, validation rule. Then here also field size is long. If you want to store large number of data, then select double data type. Then decimal places, how many decimal places you are going to there, 4, 5, 6 decimal places. So these are the field properties of this field name and this data type. Now my table is created over here. Only structure is created over here. Now I am going to insert data in this table. So go to datasheet view. So you must first save the table. Then there is no primary key defined over here. So what do you mean by primary key? Suppose we are going to create the table, that is student table. So in that select one column, and that is your primary key. Primary key means what? It is a unique identification key. And suppose roll number is your primary key, so it is compulsory to put roll number in this table. So आप लोगों को जो roll number के अंदर आप जो data fill कर रहे हैं वो compulsory fill करना है. Okay, so this is nothing but your primary key, and primary key is your unique identification key. You can give roll number as a primary, you can set roll number as a primary key or mobile number as a primary key, because it is the unique for different students. Student 1, roll number 1 is for student 1, roll number 2 is for student 2. So this is with the help of that we can easily identify the student. So roll number is your primary key. Okay, this is my design view. So here you can see the symbol over here, that is key symbol, means your ID या फिर रोल नंबर. अगर आप लोगों को सेट करना है प्राइमरी की, जस्ट click on that particular field name, right click on that particular field name and set as a primary key. This is how we create the structure of table. Then how we can insert the data into this table? Then click on datasheet view. Datasheet view means what? This one. This is how we insert the data into particular table. Okay. So roll number 1, then after that student name Tejal, then marks is 20, then up to n number of students you can insert the data over here, 50. So here we insert the n number of data, and you can create number of tables in one database. So ये मेरा database है, so यहाँ पे हम लोग number of tables create कर सकते हैं. So this is how we insert the data into the table. Suppose I want to delete this data. So right click on this, then delete the particular record. Your one record is to be deleted. Okay, this is how we delete the record and insert the record. Suppose again I am inserting this 3 records over here. Then suppose I want this record in ascending order and descending order. Then select ascending for ascending order and select descending for the descending order. Okay, this is how we are going to insert the data into the table. Suppose again I want to create another table over here. Then click on create, then table. This is the table. Again I am going to save this. Employee. Suppose here employee is my table name. Okay, so here I am going to click on design view. So this is my employee table design view. Here I am going to create the column name and data type. So here what is the difference between auto number and number over here? So number means we are going to give number to particular data, means 1, 2, 3, we are going to give this number. But auto number means automatically generate the number from 1 to n number of data. Suppose I am giving here auto number for ID, then employee name, this is a short, then salary for that particular employee, this is in number format, then date of birth, the date of birth format is there, date and time. Okay, so select that. Mobile number is also in number format. Then decimal places, there is a 10 digit of number is there, so I am giving the decimal places 10. This is how we create the structure of data, means field name, column name and data type. Then how to insert the data into this particular table? Select the table, then go to the datasheet view. Yes, so here first automatically Tejal will assign the ID 1 over here. This is the difference between number and auto number.